So, three new Xbox consoles have been announced and are now out. And you might be wondering, what are the differences with these new consoles compared to the original Xbox Series S and original Xbox Series X? Firstly, in order to understand the new offerings within the Xbox range, we need to recap on the current Xbox range. We currently have the Xbox Series S 512GB all digital edition in Robot White. This console does up to 1440p resolution, up to 120 frames per second, and can upscale to 4K. Then we have the current Xbox Series X that comes in carbon black with a 1TB internal SSD, a physical disk drive, and is capable of 4K 120 frames per second. The Xbox Series X is the most powerful Xbox that has ever been created, capable of 12 teraflops of GPU power, which basically means 12 trillion floating operations per second, which really means it's really good at processing your favorite games. Now, both the current Xbox Series S and X are built on Xbox Velocity architecture, which means that both current Xboxes have custom NVMe SSDs, have hardware acceleration decompression, direct storage API, and sampler feedback. Now, what does all that mean? It means they provide incredibly fast data transfer speeds that load much quicker than traditional hard drives. They use dedicated hardware to decompress the game assets quickly, reducing the load on the CPU, optimizes how game data is loaded from the SSD, reducing CPU overhead and improving overall efficiency, and improves how textures are loaded and managed, ensuring only the necessary parts of textures are loaded onto the memory. So yeah, it does a really good job of making your games look really good. So now that we've recapped the current Xbox lineup, what are the three new Xbox devices? Well, first off, we have the new Xbox Series S in Robot White. This builds on the current Xbox Series S and its all-digital platform, but now has more storage, allowing you to store those bigger games like Call of Duty, Flight Simulator, or even Forza Horizon 5. Effectively, by having more storage, you can have more AAA titles on your console at once, ready to go. Now, the Xbox Series S is great for gamers that might not be using a 4K TV, so they could be using a 1080p TV in, say, a bedroom or a kid's room, or maybe using a monitor. The great thing is, with the Xbox Series S, you also get to play those next generation titles at a cheaper price point. Now, honestly, my favorite thing about the all digital console is the fact that you can purchase and download stuff instantly, and you don't have to wait for the postman to turn up at your door or head to store to pick something up. I can just download it and start playing right away. The new Xbox Series S 1TB in Robot White starts at £299.99. This console is perfect for someone either getting back into gaming to join their friends online on some of their favorites like Call of Duty, a companion console for someone that may already have an Xbox Series S but wants an additional console in the household, or for an avid gamer that may play on PC or another console and wants to add an Xbox to their collection. Next on the list, we have the Xbox Series X 1TB Digital Edition. You may notice the Digital Edition comes in Robot White. This now aligns all of the Digital Edition consoles as being the same color. Now, with this console, you still get all those amazing features you get with the Xbox Series X. You still get up to 4K resolution, you still get 120 frames per second, and it's still built on the same Xbox Velocity architecture. The biggest difference here is it doesn't have a physical disk drive. Now, some people may say that they want a physical disk drive option. Well, they can. The carbon black version is still available. But honestly, I can only think of one time in the past 3 years that I've put a disc in my Xbox Series X. With the ease of digital downloads and hundreds of high quality games available directly from Game Pass, I honestly don't have a need for physical discs anymore. If I had a disc for every game I've played from Game Pass in the last 2 years, I would have to kick my daughter out of her bedroom just to store my physical media. The Xbox Series X 1TB Digital Edition starts at £429.99. The all-white Xbox Digital Edition Series X is ideal for that gamer that wants the power of an Xbox Series X but doesn't have the need for physical media. This could be someone coming from PC or another console and wants the best possible Xbox gaming experience with the highest resolution and frame rates but doesn't need physical discs. Or someone that simply likes the best of the best without all the clutter of disc cases to store. Or how about someone that already has an Xbox already and wants to upgrade from a previous generation console, or someone that has an Xbox Series S already, but wants to take their gaming experience to that true 4K experience. Last and by no means least, we have the Xbox Series X 2TB Galaxy Black Special Edition. Now this console is exclusive to Microsoft Store. However, this console is your current Xbox Series X with a twist. I personally like to think this effect represents the Xbox community coming together in their favorite games, playing all over the world, wherever they are. Now, like I said at the start of this section, this is a Microsoft Store exclusive and will come in at £549.99. This console really is designed for those collectors who want something different. This will appeal to those people that may already have an Xbox Series X Halo Edition, and those gamers that already have an Xbox Series X full of games but want bigger internal storage rather than using an expansion card. As we've talked about two new all-digital consoles coming to the Xbox lineup, I think it's only right that we talk about Game Pass. If you're looking to add any of these Xbox consoles to your lineup, Game Pass Ultimate is the ultimate addition to your gaming experience, with hundreds of high-quality games including day one releases like Indiana Jones and Call of Duty Black Ops 6 coming to Game Pass day one. There are also hundreds of high-quality games already available on Game Pass right now, with games like Minecraft, Forza Horizon 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, Starfield, and the Halo series. With Game Pass Ultimate, you also get the addition of EA Play, so you can play some of the best EA titles available, with games like EA FC 24 and Star Wars Jedi Survivor. And you also get free game trials of some of the latest EA games like EA FC 25 and Madden 25. With Game Pass Ultimate, you can start your favorite game on your Xbox console, then continue playing directly from your PC, your mobile, a compatible smart TV, or an Amazon Fire Stick. You can also play your favorite games the way you want and when you want. Now, I hope you found this video informative, and I would love to know which Xbox console you're looking at or which one you'd like to add to your collection. I personally really want the all-digital white Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon for another one. Ciao!